Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Today doing a little opening here of the Flysky FS-GT3C. So this is a really popular radio in the RC community. It's been around for, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 years, something like that. And has gotten a lot of reviews. A lot of people buy this. I'll be honest, I've never really been a fan of this particular radio. I have used this in the past. I do like the FS-GT5 and their newer stuff from Flysky, but this is one of their older ones, cheaper ones, but is super popular. And so Banggood sent this out to me and I figured, okay, let's see what's up with this radio. Maybe things have changed. I haven't used one of these in a few years, so I know people are always asking me, what do you think about the FS-GT3C? I do like doing reviews of radios, one of my favorite things to do on the channel. So since I never actually owned one, I figured it'd be a good time to pick one of these up. So that's what comes in the box. Manual. It's like English and Chinese. Pretty basic, not a whole lot going on there. Yeah, so let's take this out. It's like a charge cord. I believe it comes with the LiPo battery inside. This is a very stylish color. It comes in different colors. It used to come in this orange, which is not particularly attractive, but that's the one I've used in the past. Looks like it comes with an antenna. Okay, interesting. For your receiver. So the receiver is this guy, the GR3E 3-channel receiver, 2.4 gigahertz. These are fairly inexpensive, something like, I don't know, 8 or 10 bucks or something like that. Bind plug it looks like you need, as well as a little stick. I guess you use the stick to hit the bind button or calibrate it, or I don't know, something. Turn the gyro on and off. Does this have a gyro? No, I don't think so. I don't see anything. It is AF-HDS, which is the protocol that Flysky uses. So here is the actual radio. Big display, fold-up antenna, a lot of buttons, a little scroll wheel here. Throttle, I would imagine this is trim. Drop-down wheel, nice foam. You know, the spring feels better than before. The old one felt super cheap. That was an issue with some of these radios. This actually feels better than I remember. So we'll have to see. I do like the grip on this. I actually have a review of this radio from like my blog back in the day, a few years back. It actually feels better than before. Maybe they made some improvements. Here's the battery, a little 800 milliamp hour battery, 3.7 volts. So that is a LiPo battery. You just plug it in. As you can see, you'll probably have to take off these little stickers to let it run. So that is cool. I mean, feature-wise, this has always sort of impressed. You can even hack the firmware. A lot of people do that to add more channels. The main issue I always had was just kind of the quality of the radio seemed kind of low, but you know, there's no slop in the wheel at all, so I'm impressed by that. Trigger quality actually feels better as well, so maybe they made some improvements. We'll have to see. Charge port to charge the battery. Channel 3 button here. Channel 3 trim, dual rate. So I guess channel 3 is just an on off. Wonder if that is programmable, like an on and hold or on or not. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. Hope you enjoyed that. Definitely keep an eye on this channel. I'm going to be doing a full review of this radio and also comparisons with some other radios in this class. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit the add notifications button. Look for more videos soon. And thanks for watching.